and Deshaun Sterling. From Illinois, Jason Shepard. From Mount Pleasant, Noah Ulrich. From Dogwood, Cam Whitty. Also from Dogwood, Dylan Pierce.
You gonna get a wood? Yep, okay.
From Fort Sill, TJ Walker. And KJ Jenkins. And now we are going to recognize our all conference teams. These young men and women have access to our conference play, competing with determination, leadership, sportsmanship, and they represent the schools with pride. Now, students from Central County Technology Arts, Michael Hawk. From West Family, Kay Gibson. From Anson, Takeon Robinson. From Monroe, Jamari Benson. David Smith. And Cooper Perkins. From Parkwood, Amon Bitts. And Nehemiah Davis. We'd like to recognize the following student athletes from Fort Sill High School who win the all-conference team. True Glory. Landon Blakely.
Number two did it.
Mackay Massey. And Amari Melton. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to announce the 2025-2026 White River Men's Player of the Year. This award recognizes the student athlete whose performance leadership and overall package of the game stood above the rest throughout conference play. Your 2025-2026 White River Men's Player of the Year.